SurferCloud Hong Kong Lite VPS, $9.90 per year entry-level cloud server with stable international network. 1. SurferCloud Lite VPS Overview. SurferCloud's Lite VPS series focuses on affordability, simplicity, and global coverage. The Hong Kong Lite VPS, priced at only $9.90 per year, is an ideal choice for beginners, lightweight web hosting, and overseas business testing. Specification details. CPU 1 vCPU. Memory 1 GB. Storage 40 GB NVMe SSD. Bandwidth 30 megabits per second. Traffic 200 GB outbound/unlimited inbound. IPv4 dedicated IP. OS options Linux/Windows. Price $9.90 per year, renews at $48 per year. Each customer can deploy one Lite VPS only. This plan offers a cost-effective way to experience SurferCloud's global infrastructure. 2. Hong Kong Data Center Network Performance. The SurferCloud Hong Kong Data Center is connected via international transit routes, providing reliable access throughout Asia-Pacific. While it does not include China-optimized routes, no CN2 or CMIN2, users from nearby regions such as Singapore, Japan, and Korea can expect excellent latency and stability. Located in one of Asia's most important network hubs, the Hong Kong node benefits from strong data center redundancy, secure facilities, and 24/7 uptime, ideal for users who prioritize consistent global connectivity. 3. Ideal use cases advantages. With its NVMe storage and solid network quality, the SurferCloud Hong Kong Lite VPS is perfect for hosting international websites or small business landing pages, running lightweight testing environments or development sandboxes, deploying personal blogs, APIs, or small applications, setting up proxy or relay nodes, for international traffic only. This plan delivers outstanding price-to-performance, making it a smart entry-level choice for developers and global entrepreneurs. 4. Notes before purchase. Zone and configuration changes are not supported. Refunds are processed at the original price if the VPS is deleted mid-term. Port 25 is blocked by default for anti-spam protection. Default usernames. Windows Administrator. Linux, CentOS/Debian/Red Hat, root. Ubuntu. Purchasing is simple, just sign up for a SurferCloud account, place your order, and your VPS will be ready in minutes. 5. Summary FAQs. Q1. Is the Hong Kong Lite VPS suitable for hosting Chinese websites? A. Technically yes, but since it's an international route, users in mainland China may experience higher latency. Q2. Can I change or replace the IP address? A. No, Lite plans come with fixed data center IPs and do not support IP replacement. Q3. Does it support Windows OS? A. Yes, you can select a Windows image during deployment. Q4. What happens if I exceed 200 GB of outbound traffic? A. The server may be throttled or paused until renewal, upgrading to a higher plan is recommended.